Hey guys, welcome to Lacave-Insight. I'm Marcus, music producer, lighting director and official MA trainer. This is MA Quick Tips. What is Autostomp? Let's jump right in. I'm going to create a sequence with fixture 1 through 10 and they should be pointed to exactly this point right here. This is my first sequence, so let's store this to the fader here. Okay, clear it. Now I'm going to use fixture 1 through 10 and I would like to create a phasor relative position like 13 and minus 15, for example. So this is going to be the next fader. Let's clear the programmer. So I'm going to start sequence 3 now. And now when I'm going to start sequence 2 over here, you can see the fixtures are pointing to the right position, but they're still moving because we have some relative values in sequence 3. Let's off these two sequences. I'm going to click Edit Settings, and now I'm going to activate this Autostomp feature. So let's do it again. Let's activate sequence 3 with a phasor. And now jump back to sequence 2. And now you can see that we haven't used, when creating sequence 2, Q1, we haven't used any relative values in the position. And so they are stomped automatically, or kind of stomped, even if they are running in sequence 3. Now I need to release. And now they are still moving again. So this is Autostomp. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you liked it and enjoyed it. Please like it and subscribe it. See you next time. Bye bye.